Hey guys, a little update. We're on our way to put petrol in the car. We're gonna leave Hamilton at 10:30. 10:30. All right, see you in a bit. Say hi. And Dad is in the front, in the car in the front. All right, we'll catch you in a bit. Bye.
Hey, yo, that's the plane that he's saying.
See, it's landing. And those are all the planes on that side.
That's a cab.
Yeah. Look,
That's a
look at
cab.
this, look at
That's a
this.
Samu plane.
Can't really see it because of the bridge. But
That's a Samu plane. Yeah, he's a lot of place.
Checking the weights, make sure that we're not over. See, we were so worried, and look at that. It's just under 20.
We just need to add more stuff.
Okay, just grab those.
I'll put that one. Get that one.
Hey guys, so we just finished checking in. We're having KFC and then we go inside. I'll see you in a bit.
Mom, I want my dad.
Dad's coming.
Wow.
Buddha, Buddha, Buddha.
But can you see me?
I can see you.
Hi.
Just here at duty free.
Yep. So guys, hey guys, we're heading to somewhere in a plane. We don't got that much time.
1.5 hours before takeoff. Emma, what a gates are. We're just waiting for our gate number to come up. So we're just sitting around here. Leo.
Come on.
We're at gate 1. Oh, we're here at our gate.
I'm gonna keep my packet, but it takes too long.
Daniela. We're about to go in the plane now. Hi guys, we're here now in Samoa.
Yeah, and with the plane. With the plane, bro. Say that. That's what I was gonna say. Jesus. Guys, this is where the bus fly with the eye. So like with you saw the bus with eye. The bus with eyes is here. Look, Jesus. I believe in. This is where the bus. I believe. You catching it? Come back here. Come back what? The bus with the eyes. I saw the teeth come out when it left. And it was like when I saw the person on the wall, he opened his mouth and then crushed his teeth.
Oh yeah.
And then just crushed his teeth on the and he crushed his teeth like he hurt his teeth.
Look at our luggages.
Look.
There's a bag hanging up.
What the hell with what the hell? That shit
Morning, guys. We're here in Samoa. So it's a beautiful weather, nice and warm. I'm outside with my sister, my big sister. Lovely. Say hello. It's nice. Look at the weather. Blue skies, nice. The sun is out. I'm so happy. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Rima's still here. Hey guys, so I woke up from a long nap. The heat is no joke. Like I'm not a daytime. I don't sleep during the day, but man, that was just, I was just out of it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. But we're here, we're in Samoa, and we're so excited. This is, you know, this is day one. It's a family trip, family holiday, and everyone's super pumped, super stoked about it. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.